Hey there, welcome to Science Explained. Have you ever wondered why a rolling ball eventually stops, or why you can't slide on sand like you can on ice? The answer is one powerful force: friction. Friction is the resistance that one surface or object encounters when moving over another. Without it, walking would be impossible. Cars wouldn't stop, and you'd slip all the time. So let's get a handle on this force. There are different types of friction: static, sliding, rolling, and fluid. Static friction is the force that keeps you from slipping while standing still. You're pushing against the ground with your foot, but the ground pushes back with an equal amount of force, keeping you balanced. If you push against a wall, it will push back until you're about to move. Once you start moving, sliding friction takes over. This is the force that opposes or resists the sliding motion of one surface over another. It's what allows you to walk without slipping. Your foot grips the ground and pushes against it as you take a step. If you keep pushing the ball, it'll keep rolling. But rolling friction is different from sliding friction. It's less, which is why it's easier to roll something than to slide it. When you're sliding on ice, you're actually experiencing a lack of friction. That's why it's so slippery. There's almost no resistance between your skates and the ice. When you swim or fly through the air, you encounter fluid friction. This is the friction that opposes the motion of an object through a fluid like air or water. All these types of friction cause some degree of wear and tear. The parts of your shoes that make contact with the ground, the tires of a car, and even the internal parts of machines experience friction. Friction converts kinetic energy, the energy of motion, into heat energy. This is why your car engine needs oil. Oil reduces friction, so your car's engine parts don't wear out quickly. So friction isn't always helpful, but it is always present. Walking, stopping, sliding, rolling. Friction is at play. Do you want to know more about the science of everyday life? Subscribe to Science Explained. We'll bring the science to you.